Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you use arrowroot powder? Arrowroot powder can be used as a way to thicken soups, stews, gravies, and sauces. You do this by making a slurry. Mix the arrowroot into a cold liquid such as water or non-dairy milk and whisk until smooth. Then you pour the slurry into the hot sauce or gravy to thicken it and make it glossy. Does arrowroot have gluten? Like most tubers, arrowroot is naturally gluten-free. Its powder can be used as a substitute for wheat flour, too. Intriguingly, arrowroot's resistant starch is especially applicable for gluten-free products because it helps improve their texture, crispness, and flavor. 7/23/24, Rab. I-22, 1441
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.